Welcome to my pedicure gallery. Today, I'll be sharing some of my favorite designs, starting with a classic red nail look. Check out these stunning red sandals with pink embellishments. I love how the color pops. Next, we have a pair of blue flip-flops. These are perfect for a beach day. Check out the flower design. For a more floral theme, how about these blue sandals with flowers on the bottom? They are so pretty. You can also see the black sandals. Don't forget the red polish and cream. And there you have it, my top pedicure designs. Let me know what you think.